Good morning. Today is May 31st. Out here with Mario. Yeah. We're gonna go check out some areas. We haven't hiked this area yet, so it's a brand new spot for both of us. So let's see what we can present to you guys today. Oh, we already picked up an antler. On the way back in, we got a road shed. So, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna see what we else can present to you guys. So stay tuned. Oh yeah. It's coming right here inside. Walk down. That's where I seen it. It's from right there. Oh man. Yeah. It's a good sight, y'all. Very good sight. It's awesome. Yeah. Let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. It's nice. Oh yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Pretty good size. Got a heavy. Pretty heavy. It's awesome. Let's check that base out. Yeah. Awesome. Well, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Not bad. Yeah. Mario found two, and I found two. Nice. He's gonna present his. Yeah.
Found this one first.
Chunky guy, huh?
Fighter bull. It's all
Yeah.
broken right there.
Busted up.
Yeah.
Fighting over some cows.
Yeah. Then about 50 yards below it was this one. This little rag.
Yeah. Still out there.
Heck yeah. Ow!
Yeah. I got one on the hill and one by the road this morning. Not bad. We're going out. This one was laying right on the road. Didn't get to film it. I was too excited. Just jumped off and picked it up. Ah. It's awesome. Yeah. Then on our second walk, this is what I came up with. Our first walk, we didn't do too good. Both of us got skunked on our first walk. It's not bad though. Thank you guys again for following along. Thank you for checking out the videos. Today is May 31st, Friday. Yeah, me and Mario hitting it up. Checking out some new country. Exploring some new land. Yeah. Thanks again, y'all. Today was a good day. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Throw a comment down. I'll get back with you guys' comments. And stay tuned. We still got a couple of giveaways that I'm planning out on giving away again. And Jarvis was the winner for the one, how many browns I picked up. So he won a Vortex 10 by 42 binoculars and Patchy Tines cap. So stay tuned. I got a couple more giveaways and a couple more, a lot more antler to pick up. Oh yeah.